Hi, we've just wrapped up our Microsoft Teams customer event at Wembley, and 3 takeaways from the event, both kind of from sessions and from talking to customers. Number 1, the meeting room stuff really resonated. We had Graham from Crestron here, and lots of people didn't understand how Microsoft Teams rooms could scale up to bigger meeting rooms. So adding structured audio, adding amps, that was a big conversation. We spent a lot of time on data-driven business change. So we talked about ProSci and ADCAR and all the change management, but we talked about how we use data to support that process. So if you're doing Teams, what's your ratio of private chat to collaboration chat? Like, are people using video in meetings? Are people collaborating, or are they just doing instant messaging? I think number 3, it was interesting to see how many people are starting on their Teams voice journey. So using enterprise voice, using direct routing, using calling plans. So Ben leaded a whole session on what the differences are, and there was lots of engagement on why would I go direct routing versus why would I go calling plan. Overall, really good day. If you've got any questions, just hit us in the comments below. Love to hear your thoughts. Thanks.